Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know about how to draw circle and types of circle in Catia. For circle, we draw circle from here. Click on this icon. Here are some types of circle. Select this toolbar and drag it here. First is simple circle. For this circle, it requires a center point and a radius. I draw a circle here. For putting radius, press tab button and type the value of radius here. I type here 10 mm. This is radius 10 mm circle. If I draw circle on this line, select this circle, select this line. When we move cursor on this corner, the internal circle becomes a blue dot, which indicate this is the corner point. Draw a circle here, press tab button, put the value of radius here. I type here 10 mm. Again select circle, simple circle. Now I draw circle at midpoint. When we move cursor on this midpoint of this line, the internal circle becomes a blue dot, which indicate the midpoint of this line, and type the value of radius of this circle. I type here 15 mm. Press enter. This is a radius 15 mm circle. Next is 3-point circle. This circle requires 3 points. First point, second point, and third point. Same. Again select 3-point circle. First point, second point, and third point. Next is circle using coordinate. This circle requires 2 coordinates: along x-axis, which is h horizontal, along y-axis vertical v, along x-axis h. I type here 25, in y direction v, vertically 20 mm, and here put the value of radius. I type here 30 mm. Select OK. Here is circle 20 mm from here to here vertically, and in horizontal direction 25 mm, radius 30 mm. We will know how to apply dimensions in next tutorials. Now the next circle is right tangent circle. It requires 3 tangent points: first point, second point, and third point. 3 tangent points: first tangent, second tangent, and third tangent. Again select this tangent, right tangent circle, first tangent, second tangent, and third tangent. The next circle is 3-point arc. It requires 3 points: first point, second point, and third point. First, second, and third. Again select 3-point arc, first point, second point, and third point. The next is arc with limits: first point, second point, and third point. Third is the limit. You can put value of radius here 10 mm. Select OK. The next is simple arc. This is also called center point arc. It requires center point. I select this center, first point, and second point. Again select arc, center point, first point, and second point. When we start from right side to left side, it becomes upside. When we start drawing from left side to right side, it becomes downward. Similarly in this direction, upside. By double clicking here, you can create circle multiple times. For exit the command, click on this circle. Again select this circle. This is single time use. Double click on this circle. This is multiple time use. For exit the command, click once on this circle. This orange color indicates this command is working. You can also press the escape button for exit the command. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.